In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset any phone and reset or factory reset any phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to do, and you can do it on any iPhone you have. So firstly is the hardware force reset for no data loss. So what you want to do is press and quickly release the volume up button, and press and quickly release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side power button and keep holding it down for 10 seconds. And when you see the slide to power off prompt, ignore it as well. Then release the button only when the white Apple logo appears on the screen. Now, if you want to factory reset your phone, all you want to do is go to your settings, scroll down over to general, scroll down again, and you're going to see transfer or reset iPhone. Now you're going to see erase all content and settings as one of the options. It's going to show you everything that's going to be erased on your iPhone, and then you just got to press continue, and then you might have to type in your device passcode, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.